In this lesson, we will discuss powers of monomials. So first of all, I will again explain you what is monomial. Monomial is a number, a variable, or a product of numbers and variables. Now, what does it mean? Suppose if we have a number 7, this is monomial. If we have a variable y, yes, this is a monomial. If you multiply these two, this number and variable, if I will say 7y, yes, this is a monomial. If I will say 8x y square, yes, this is the monomial. So monomial may be only a number, a variable, or a product. Product means multiplication. You can divide this number and multiply. Here 8 is the number, x and y square are the variables. There is no sign between them. It means that there is a multiplication. Right? So product means multiplication. This is the monomial. The important thing is monomial do not have addition and subtraction. If I will say suppose 7x plus y or plus 2y, whatever, it is not a monomial. If I will say 9x square plus minus suppose 9, this is not the monomial, because in monomial you cannot have addition or subtraction. So simple. Now here we are going to learn the power of the monomials. So see, this is 10a square and this is the parenthesis and this is whole cube. This means, this cube means that this belongs to a square as well, and this 3 belongs to 10 as well. This a square, this is the square of only the variable a, but this is the parenthesis, and after parenthesis you have the power. It means that this belongs to 10 as well as a square. So how you will solve it? This is called the coefficient, this is called the variable or base, and this is the power. So this coefficient, you have to write down coefficient as many times as you have this whole power. So this is 3. It means you have 10 3 times. This dot means multiplication. So I am putting this dot, and then a square. Now it does not mean that you have to write down 2 3 times. It means a 2 3 times 6, you have to multiply the powers. So now 10 10 times 100, 100 10 times 1000. So answer is 1000 a power 6. This is your answer. So this is the powers of the monomials. Coefficient you have to write down as many times as you have the whole power. Here see, this is the coefficient and 4 is the whole power. So it means 2 you have 4 times. Here I am using this sign, multiplication sign. And then B. So this 4 2 times 8. You do not have to write down 2 multiplied by 2. No. This, the power of the base or the variable, you have to multiply with this. So it is 2 2 times 4, 4 2 times 8, 8 2 times 16. So it will be 16b8, and this is the answer. One more question. What I told you, you have to write down this base as many times as you have this whole power. So 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. It means 5 you have 3 times. But what about x? You do not have to write down 3 into 3 into 3. You just have to multiply 3 3 times 9. So it is 5 5 times 1, sorry, 5 5 times 25, 25 5 times 125. X 9 is the answer. This one more question. 10. How many times you have to write down 10? 4 times. And what does this dot means? Multiplication. Dot, dot, dot. Now what about the power of b is cube. So you have to multiply 3 with 4. 3 4 times 12. So it will be equal to, multiply all these tens, it is 10,000. B12 is your answer.